To get started creating your first post, locate the Post menu in the left-hand side of the WordPress admin dashboard. The Add New Post page can also be found from the New link in the WordPress admin bar. Click the Add New link. Now you'll see the Add New Post page where we'll be creating our first post. The first box you'll see is where you'll want to enter the title of your post. For our post, we'll choose something really creative like My First Post. Next is the post formatting section or post editor. This is where you'll actually type the content of your post. If you look on the right side of the box, you'll see two tabs. These are the two modes of editing posts, visual and text. The visual tab will bring up the visual "What you see is what you get" editor. Here you'll see a formatting toolbar with lots of options for formatting your posts. If you're familiar with Microsoft Word or any other word processing software, most of these icons should look familiar. If we click on the next tab, the Text tab, this will reveal a plain text HTML version of the post editor. This version of the post editor is for editing the HTML code of your post. Most users will want to return to the visual editor to write their posts. At the top of the right column on this screen, you'll see a Publish box. This is where you can save your post as a draft if you'd like to save it for later. Or click to the Preview button so you can get a preview of how the post will look once it's published. The status of the post will show if the post has been published, saved as a draft, or if it's pending for review, or if it's even been scheduled. The next two lines show the visibility of the post, or which visitors will be able to see your posts. The Publish line shows whether the post will be published immediately or at a later date. The next two sections to know about are the categories and tags that you can assign to your WordPress post. We'll cover these in greater detail in later videos. If you'd like to change the screen options for your post editor, just click on the Screen Options tab in the upper right-hand corner. You can expand this to reveal all the options for what we'll see on the screen. Again, from the post editor, we can drag and drop the order of these boxes to customize how we want them to be arranged on the page. And if you ever need help while you're on your Add New Post page, just click the Help tab in the upper right corner. Here you'll be able to get a reminder on customizing your post display, using the title and post editor, inserting media and settings for publishing and discussion.